In this video, I will show you how to simply add Passkey to your PayPal account without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your PayPal account. For that, open up my Chrome browser. Then create a new tab. Click on Search Google. Type in PayPal. Hit Enter. Click on Login to PayPal right here. Go ahead and enter your login password. Now successfully logging. Next thing you want to do from the home tab right here, go ahead and click on Add Passkey. However, if you cannot see Passkey from the home tab right here, come to the top right here, go ahead and make sure you simply click on this three slider right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on Home right. And the next thing you want to do is to click on this setting icon. Then go ahead and click on Security right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Passkey right here. Then here you go. You see one setup. So here you go, Passkey. A Passkey is more resistant to phishing attempt to secure and uses your face fingerprint or passcode to log in. All you have to do right here is to simply click on Create Passkey. Go ahead and click on Continue. Provide your fingerprint or face ID and done. Successfully create. Just like so. You are done. Go ahead and click on this tab to close this pop-up. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.